You ready to come out onto pasture, piggies? You guys ready to come out onto pasture? Are you? See what we can do here then. Yeah, I think it's time for everyone to go out on pasture. Ridiculous view being in the woods in May. There's grass around. Yes. Let's see if we can't get this open. You're gonna show the newbies? Watch out, watch out. This is still wild, guys. Watch out, watch out. Come on. Come on. Atta girl. Come on. Atta girl. Come on. Come on, biggie. Come on. Come on, biggie. Oh, we got you going because you know the drill. The others don't know the drill yet. Atta girl. Follow the bucket. Follow the bucket. Yeah. Follow that bucket. Yeah. Good girl. Hey, you gotta let me walk. Come on, girl. Yeah. Good girl. They're going right over here. Come on. Hey, girl. Whoops. It'd be great if I could get the camera on the pig. Here we go. Winner, winner, pig pellet dinner. You got one pig out. Follow me, everybody. Come on. Gotta break that psychological barrier. I took the fence off. I've gone out to pasture before. Come on, Tango. Come on, girls. Come on, little piggy. I could just carry the little ones down. Shit. Come on, guys. Come on, P2. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, pig. Come on. I know you're hungry. Atta girl. Come on. Atta girl. Good girl, Pingo. Come on. That's my good piggy. Come on. Lay down here. Piggy. Come on. Hey. Going the wrong way, girl. Pingo. Come on. Come on, yeah. Come on. Smell that bucket. Good girl. Now come down here with Polka. Come down here with Polka. Come down here with Polka. A good girl. Come on, pig. Come on, pig. There you go. Good girl. Come on, Piggy. Come on, Piggy. Come on, Piggy. Okay, come on. Okay, come on. Come on, pig. Come on, pig. Come on, you've seen every other pig walk through here. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. That's my pig. Come on, P2. Come on, P2. Come on, P2. Good girl. Good girl, we're almost there. We're almost there. Come on. Girl. There you go. Yeah. There we go. We got everybody down in here. Fabulous. get these pigs all set up first. Then your goats can go right back out.
I don't know how she got out. The thing was still tied.
You're smart like that. Yeah, you are. That pallet is one half of their house that's going to be set up. The goats are jealous of their new pad here. Right, Django? Happy pigs.